Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick mold. First, gather your essential materials: a sturdy brick mold, a high-quality concrete mix, and a reliable water source. Next, prepare your workspace by ensuring it is flat, level, and protected from any potential spills. Before mixing, lightly oil or spray the inside of your brick mold. This crucial step ensures your finished bricks will release easily and cleanly, preventing any sticking. Now, let's mix the concrete. Carefully read and follow the specific instructions on your concrete mix bag to determine the precise water ratio. This is vital for achieving the right consistency. Mix the concrete thoroughly in a wheelbarrow or mixing tub until it's uniform and workable, resembling thick oatmeal. Avoid making it too wet, which weakens the brick, or too dry, which makes it difficult to mold properly. With your concrete mixed, it's time to fill the mold. Carefully scoop the concrete into the brick mold, ensuring you fill it completely to the top. Use a trowel or a small piece of wood to firmly compact the concrete, pressing down to eliminate any air pockets. This step is crucial for creating strong, dense bricks. Finally, level off the top surface of the concrete with your trowel for a smooth, professional finish. After filling, let the concrete set in the mold for at least 24 hours. During the initial 7 days of curing, keep the bricks consistently moist by misting them with water. This prevents cracking and ensures proper strength development. Once sufficiently set, carefully invert the mold onto a flat, protected surface to release your new bricks. For maximum strength and durability, continue curing the demolded bricks for several additional weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.